stop. If you think Kling 3.0 already won the AI video war, you might want to wait a few minutes. Because ByteDance just dropped Seedance 2.0, and from what we're seeing, this might quietly be the most advanced multimodal video model so far. Just have a look at some of the videos generated by Seedance.
You're tough.
And no, this isn't just hype. There are features in here that most people haven't even noticed yet. Let's break it down. Seedance 2.0 is ByteDance's next-gen video model from their Seed AI lab. This is not just text-to-video, it's an omni-multimodal model, meaning it understands text, images, video, audio, all together. And here's the part that should make creators pay attention. You can feed it up to 12 files in a single generation. Seedance version 1.5 already introduced, native audio, better motion quality, improved realism, and 2.0 is a full upgrade. This is not just quality improvement, this is control improvement. So, what's in this update? Let's talk about it. Then, I'll show you how to create videos with Seedance 2.0 with all the details. Text-to-video generation. Simply type a prompt and Seedance generates cinematic videos with realistic lighting, motion, and dynamic scenes. Image-to-video animation. Upload a single image and Seedance animates it into a full video while keeping the character consistent across frames. Multi-reference video creation. Combine multiple images, video clips, and audio references to precisely control characters, actions, and scene composition. Native audio-visual synchronization. Seedance generates video and audio together, including dialogue, sound effects, and environmental sounds. Cinematic camera control. The model can simulate professional shots like tracking, dolly movements, and zooms to create movie-style scenes. So let's see how we can create videos with Seedance 2.0. First of all, follow the link in the description to come to this website. These are example videos showing its capability to create all sorts of videos properly. Let's create a video now. Go back to the top. Now, click on this button, Try Seedance 2.0. It takes us to a new page. This is the interface where we will create our videos. There are 3 sections here. Let's see text to video first. This is very simple. Like as always, you just have to add a prompt. That's it. Then you can select a model from these 2. You can try with the fast one. It gives you faster result. The other one gives you better quality, but takes more credits and time for the generation. Then, I am adding this prompt to generate the video. For other settings, I am setting the aspect ratio to 16:9 and resolution 720p. Let's keep the video duration 5 seconds. You can choose up to 15 seconds. And then hit Generate Video. It takes a bit long sometimes, as the model is new, so it is on very high demand. Sometimes it's ready in a few minutes. Sometimes it may take longer, so just be patient. Trust me, the result will be satisfactory. This is the generated video. It has matched the outfit too, so it fits really well. The footage might look a bit shaky because I have asked it to do so to keep that raw feeling, like a handheld shot on a smartphone. Amazing! Okay, let's check out another feature of this tool now, which is first and last frame. Hope you already understand what it means. So basically, we can add the first and last frame of the video, and the tool will generate everything between based on our prompt. I am adding these 2 pictures as the 2 frames. As you can see, there are same people in both images, just their poses and positions are different. So I am giving this prompt to fill up this gap and generate the video where they actually switch their positions and pose for the final image. Keeping all other settings as it is, I am hitting the Generate button. This is the result. This is so smooth. Characters moved so comfortably, even I can't believe it's AI generated. Only thing that we can notice is this guy's outfit is different in the final image. So the shift of color is visible here, but it still is very smooth. It is almost perfect. Finally, there's another option for reference generation. Here we can upload media files, video, audio, or image, and then add a prompt alongside that. For example, I am adding this character image and a video of a girl dancing and then saying, Use image 1 to copy the dance moves in video 1. Once again, going with the same settings. Let's hit Generate button. After the generation, this is the result we have. The character is doing exactly the same moves as the video. Everything is smooth and consistent. Now all the generated videos are stored in My Creations. So, click on it. These are all those video that we have created so far. Another thing you should know about is Prompt Guide. This is a complete guide for Seedance 2.0, where you can find all the specifications, as well as how to use different features. So, if you get stuck with something on this platform, you can take help from here. Or you can comment on this video. Is it going to be the best AI video generator? It is tough to answer that, but it is definitely going to be one of the best. Link of the website is in the video description. Go check it out now. Thanks for watching.